Hello everyone. Just wanted to show you how I built a homemade humidifier. I just woke up this morning and when I realized that I didn't lose the hand of inventing things. Um, yeah, what I used was the protein container. Alright, and then I do have a small fan stick to it. I drill a hole here so the fan rotates, push air inside, and there's a hole here to allow the water mist to go out. Right. The inside you can see it's the how we call it, ultrasonic water atomizer. Alright, and stick at the bottom, and the power cord is here connected to the power supply. Here you are. Alright, let's see it in action then. Alright, I'll leave the cap off. Here you are. So as you can see, the water atomizer is working and the fan is pushing air inside, and when I put the lid, there you are. There's a cool mist going out. Alright, humidity in the room is very important. A low humidity level in your apartment will cause dry nose in the morning, sore throat sometime. Well, that's how I built a very cheap humidifier from scrap, from all these material. I used to have it, so it didn't cost me anything. Thanks for watching. Bye. If you have any question, sorry, forgot to mention, if you have any question, please don't hesitate. Thank you.